Vue.js is an amazing and easy to use front-end framework for building web applications. And in this course, we're going to use it to build a pizza restaurant application packed with features. We will discover all the new features of Vue version 3 while building this project, and in addition, we'll link up our project to Firebase to apply a backend to our app. This gives us a real-time database to store our users, our orders and pizzas from the menu. It will also be used to provide user accounts and authentication, including admin and regular users. The project has many features such as a menu and a basket to add items to, and the ability to place orders. We have an admin area where authorized users can add and remove pizzas from the menu. The orders can be displayed and also deleted, along with the ability to set other staff as admin too. And all of this data is driven from our database. Hi, I'm Chris and I'm an experienced web developer, and I've also taught over 100,000 students, both online and also in person too. So if you want to build amazing front-end applications with Vue version 3 and also make use of the Firebase database and authentication, then this is the class for you. I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson.